So hello guys, just now spent at least I would say half an hour, maybe more, trying to fit uncracked, relatively fresh looking BMW E30 dashboard into a freaking convertible. So, and nobody told me that basically convertible dashboards are completely different from coupe and four-door sedans and estates and so on. Like, yeah, I learned this hard way. It was quite a struggle, and basically there was like about inch that didn't want to go in all the way. So yeah, I was super disappointed when I realized it. And yeah, as you can see here, this came from convertible. Look at this, it goes kind of deeper in, and this one came from a four-door saloon. So basically I'm missing this bit, so that's why kind of like inch or 2 inches didn't want it to go fully in. Oh well, now I feel like an idiot, because if you compare to this bit, you can see basically how big is the difference on a convertible. Let's just go and see how it looks on a four-door saloon. So yeah, and this is how it looks on a four-door saloon. There's a bit more of a space where you can basically fit your dashboard in. I don't know if you can see, but this is how much of a space you get. So yeah, well, I stripped this one in order to build a convertible, and I was so happy that this one have uncracked dashboard. I was over the moon. But yeah, my dreams just got crashed. So I'll then go and fit the old one. So yeah, but anyways, so if you decide to swap basically dashboards from a four-door into convertible, don't do it. It's not gonna work. Or if you're willing to sacrifice the dashboard and cut out the holes, because apparently you can kind of cut this bit off on this one, and kind of like then should be fitting in. So I don't know, I'm not kind of ready to do that, not ready to sacrifice perfectly fine dashboard. Probably gonna keep it for some future projects, if so. So yeah, that was my 2 cents on uncracked BMW E30 dashboards. If you like this video, just comment something below and press the like button. Thank you guys. Cheers.